Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a color spotlight. I'm here to show you the Wille color Pearl Blonde Rooted. And I'm going to compare this color to Raquel Welch Shaded Biscuit. So if you want to see this color comparison, then stick around for the rest. Alright you guys, I'm really excited when I get to do color comparisons for you. I think they can be very helpful. And in this video, the comparison I'm doing, so the main focus of this video actually is a color spotlight on the Pearl Blonde Rooted color by Wille. But because I think it's similar to Shaded Biscuit, I figured I'd tack and give you a 2-in-1. So here is the tag. This is on Eclat. And there's the color. And let me just say for the record, Google has 3 different pronunciations of the name of this wig. Eclat, Eclat, Eclat. So I don't know what the right one is, but there are 3 different ones out there. So pronounce it how you like. But I just filmed a review of this style, and I have this style in another color as well. So I was able to compare the two of them and show you how they look different. So if you want to know more about this style and you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it in the description and you really should check it out. But this video is all about the color. And so the color is Pearl Blonde Rooted, and the codes for this color are 101, 16, 14. We'll break those colors down here in a second. I'll grab my color index, but let me show you this color. It is so beautiful. So I just recently got Shaded Biscuit. I got a Real Deal in Shaded Biscuit, which I have not reviewed yet. And when I got this wig from my friend Linda, who sent it to me so I could do the comparison video with the brunette version of this wig, I immediately thought, oh my gosh, that looks just like Shaded Biscuit. And when I hold them next to each other, I think they are the same. I mean, they look so similar. So let me break down the codes for you so you know what we're looking at. And as I do that, I just want to remind you that I do have a color index on my website, and you can just go to heywigsister.com. I have a color index and a brand color list, and you can find both of those in a blog post that I have under my resources section, and that way you can look up colors whenever you're unsure about what they mean. And I just compiled it from a lot of different resources online. So this color, 101, the base color, kind of 101, is a platinum blonde. So this is definitely a platinum, very blonde. The 16 is a honey blonde, and the 14 is a medium ash blonde. The one thing Wille has stopped doing, which I wish they would start doing again, is they've stopped putting their root color on their color codes, which I think can be so helpful. So I don't have the root color of this one, but if I had to guess, my guess would be that it's an 8. And the reason I say that is because if it's any darker than an 8, then it would look black next to this platinum, and it does not look black. It's definitely dark though, but it doesn't look black. And for me, being a natural brunette, I really can't wear a wig this light without a fairly dark root. So I really appreciate the fact that this has that rooting. Otherwise, I don't think I could wear it. I really love the color though. So let me grab Shaded Biscuit. So, and I did not put this on the wig, the mannequin head very well. Sort of just plopped it on. So, again, this is hard to do when I'm holding it. This is Real Deal, which I will review soon. That's the style. But this color, oh, I still have a clip even in this one. I've worn this one so much, I really have to get it reviewed before it doesn't even look like it looked brand new. So there is that color. It's so similar, you guys. It's just incredible. To my naked eye, I really cannot tell the difference. And then it's got the dark root as well. So I really think these are similar colors. I cannot, honestly, let me take it off for you guys and just kind of hold it so I can look at it as I tell you about it. Yeah, I cannot see a difference. Not only are they similar, but you can see, hopefully I can get this for you, some of those darker tones on here, they both have them. They both have those tones. Okay, so comparing them side by side, I see absolutely no difference whatsoever. So if you are a fan of pearl blonde rooted, maybe you have a wig in this color, then no, you can get a Raquel Welch wig in Shaded Biscuit and be just thrilled because they'll be the same. Vice versa, if you know that you like Shaded Biscuit and you find an Ellen Villa wig that you want to try, if it comes in pearl blonde rooted, go for it. Without hesitation, I think they're really identical colors. They definitely look like it to me. So there you go. There is your color spotlight, color comparison. Let's get outside so you can see this color in outside light as well. And then just so you know, there's that lace front. Sometimes when you've got a dark rooting, the lace front can be tricky, but this one looks awesome. They did a really, really good job of it, just like Raquel Welch does. So I think that, honestly, it's a great color, great style, just great everything. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you, and I hope that you'll come and watch my next video. All right, I am outside with Pearl Blonde Rooted. Did I put this on right? There we go. I am loving this color. Shaded Biscuit is a new color to me and is fast becoming my favorite blonde. And this one is so similar. I'll get in the sun in just a sec. There's the root. So critical for a brunette like me to have that rooting. And there is that beautiful color. Gosh, it's just stunning. Trying to make sure that my camera isn't in the shadow. My phone and selfie stick, I should say. What do you guys think? Isn't it pretty? I just love these cooler toned, sort of platinum-y, multi-dimensional blondes with a darker rooting. And this curl pattern on this one truly is my favorite. I really like it. All right, everybody, there you go. Hope that helped you.